Make noise is this reminder that whatever you are doing, whatever you're creating, whatever you're going after, it's important. So stop trying to be small about it. Make noise. Let it be known what your intentions are. If you're trying to get a promotion, if you're trying to get into a certain position in your company or in your work, start making noise, start talking to people, start saying hello, start getting more involved. If you are trying to be a creator, an artist of something, tell people what you're doing. Tell people about the thing that you are working towards. Don't just wait for it to be perfect.